Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're doing another college days in my life today. I really hope you enjoy the video, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Melissa and I make college and lifestyle and beauty videos, and I put them out every Thursday and Sunday. So yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, so outfit of the day today is all from Old Navy. This is a tank and it has, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, hi buddy. And also my leggings are from Old Navy. They're super comfortable and they have pockets. I just wanted something kind of athleisure-y while I go get groceries and run all my errands. So here's the outfit. Hello friends, so I just got back from Sprouts and I figured I would show you everything that I got. I have two big bags full of these and I spent like $150. So I'll put prices on the screen this time to see if you guys like that, because I know somebody suggested that. So I'm just gonna do it. But all right, I'll just jump into it. And this is a haul for a week for 2 people. I got this creamy spinach and kale with Swiss chard, already like made meal. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's dairy free. So it's like almond based and it's vegan, so I'm excited to try that. This was interesting. It was a shrimp risotto. So it was shrimp, rice, asparagus, and some seasonings. I thought that would be delish to try. I got a buffalo chicken sandwich on the whole wheat bread for Nick. Chicken tenders for Nick. A mocha coffee for me. This one has oat milk in it and adaptogens, so I thought that would be delish. Some eggs that have omegas. Pepper jack. A keto yogurt, or a less sugar yogurt. I got a vanilla and a strawberry. Some tortillas. A cucumber, green beans, love those. Oh, this was cool. It was a keto chocolate caramel cheesecake from that Enlightened brand that makes the ice creams and stuff. I thought this would be cool. This is 2 mini cheesecakes, so Nick and I can both have one. Let's see what they look like. Okay, well, we can't see, but that's cool looking. I got Nick some ham for sandwiches. Some mashed cauliflower just sounded really good and like an alternative to mashed potatoes. Some, what is this? Oh, I got Nick a Caesar salad, like chopped up, just to make it easy for him. This was cool. This is just for like a little date night. It's a sourdough based pizza and it has mushrooms on it and it's all organic and it was super cool. It was on sale, but it just looked like super me, very Melissa. I got some egg bites and these have mushrooms in them, I think. Fluffy mini muffin shaped eggs with mushrooms and rosemary, 4 cheeses. These were on sale, so I was like, I'll get 2. I got some salmon and they cut the skin off for me. I've been trying to find wild salmon that's skinless and I couldn't. And I'm not really that good with meats and fish and stuff, so they cut the skin off for me. I got these Mikey's gluten-free buffalo chicken pockets for Nick and I. I think they're paleo. And my mom said they were good, so I wanted to try them. An avocado for taco night. Broccoli for broccoli night. Oh, some Greek yogurt cream cheese that's whipped. Apparently it has more protein, less fat, less calories. So, and I love my bagels. So I'm gonna try these out and see how they are. Some sort of wrapper. Don't know what that was. And then I got a Celsius. This is the peach mango and green tea. I got this one for Nick to try and I got a different one for me. Bag 1 is done. Everything is put away. Now time for bag number 2. This was the light stuff that didn't fit in my bags, but I got Nick some hoagie rolls for sandwiches, some Roma tomatoes for a recipe, and these gluten-free chips are so good from Sprouts, and I can only find them at Sprouts. They're the Milton's brand. I got these because I'm going to be making like a cowboy caviar dip, and I thought that would be good to scoop. I got my favorite bagels, the everything ones from David's Killer Bread. I got more of my kid Zevia, but this time this is crayon raspberry and I haven't tried this yet, so I was like, I need to see what that tastes like. I got myself a Birch Benders keto cake. And again, I'm not keto, I'm just trying to eat healthy and just have a little bit less sugar for my PCOS. Carbs are so important, but I just sometimes choose keto stuff just because it helps me personally, but yeah. I got Nick some muscle mac. It's mac and cheese with 20 grams of protein, and it's made with grass-fed butter, like Kerrygold butter. So I got this for him to try just as like a little treat, a super easy lunch or a snack when I don't want to cook and he doesn't want to cook. He can just whip this up. I got some seasoning packets. I got the Siete taco seasoning in mild. I wanted to try theirs out and see if I liked it. And then I just got some ranch dip and some French onion dip from the Simply Organic line. Sometimes I just put chicken in a crock pot and dump one of these on top and then just let it ride out. So that might be the fate of those. Got some Zevia. They were on like a mega sale, so I got 2. I get the root beer kind and then the cream soda kind. The cream soda kind is my favorite. I got Nick a cola sparkling Celsius. He likes soda. I don't drink it, but I figured he might want to try this. And then this one's for me. This is raspberry acai green tea. I love raspberry, so I can't wait to try those for when I work out. And then lastly, I got Nick and I a little treat. It's the vitamin water, but it's the dragon fruit brand. I try not to buy these a lot, but it's good to have just, you know, just something different. Oh no, these ones have sugar. Okay, these both will be for Nick. Wish I looked at that. And that's all. That's all I got from Sprouts. Also, I got these bags from Amazon. I was like watching my hauls back and I realized I was using a lot of plastic bags and it was bothering me, so I figured I can cut down on a little bit of waste and start using these bags. And it has already made a difference. Alright, I'm gonna put this stuff away and I will see you guys soon. Alright you guys, so I just wanted to show you this makeup bag that I got from Leatherology. I figured we could do an unboxing together just because this is new and it's cool. So it comes with a little dust cloth. And here it is. Super cute. So I really wanted a makeup train case that was leather, so I could travel and have everything all in one space and it would fit all my makeup. So this is super cute. So you open it up and it has a zippered pocket on the top to keep things in, and then the inside is that super durable like vinyl material, and it has like so many pockets on the inside still to put all your stuff. The bottom is super sturdy, so the sides are kind of the more malleable leather. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but there's like a piece in the bottom to make it more sturdy. So cute, I love it. I really wanted one from Louis Vuitton. I think it's called the BB Nice or something like that. That one is super cute, but it's really expensive, so I wanted to find another super cute option that was more affordable. So I got this one, and this one will last me a really long time, so I invested in it and I'm glad I did because it's so cute. Hello friends, so it is now Wednesday. Tuesday was a blur, so I'm not even going to get into that. But today I went to go drive to do some errands and there was a nail in my tire. So I had to fix that this morning. Well, Nick fixed it for me. So now I need to post stuff on Poshmark, and I figured I would show you guys a little bit of the process. I normally just take a bunch of pictures and then try to list everything. So I will show you some of that now. So here's the entire rack of clothes that I'm trying to list on Poshmark. And I set up my ring light right here and I hang up my clothes up there, and then I just take pictures of each item and I try to do like front, back, and like if there's any damage I'll try to list it. I normally don't sell damaged items, but you know, if there's like a little bit of wear and tear I'll write it. So this is a tank from Express, so I'm gonna take pictures of this real fast and then I'm going to post it on the Poshmark app. So I got another super cool package today. This one is from Mejuri. This is actually where I get a lot of my jewelry from. Because they're really nice pieces. So I'm gonna open this box and I will show you what I got from Mejuri. Oh, this is cute. I was eyeing this product for a really long time and it took me a while to actually get it. Oh, okay, this is it's a ring sizer. It just came for free. So I guess you just put your finger in here and then this can measure it, but that is not what I actually got. This is packed in here super nicely. So I bought the large jewelry box on their website, and I wanted it to be that like light tan leather look, and I got this one because you can open it and then the trays come out. So here's the top tray, you can put your rings and then like bracelets and necklaces there. I think this is a dust box for the piece because it's leather. It has another tray so you can put bigger pieces and then other small things in here. And then it has a third and final tray that you can take out with even more dividers. And then you can arrange it how you want, all in this cute little box. I'll link it down below so you can see what I got. But yeah, it's super cute and I can't wait to organize all my jewelry in it. I really don't have that much jewelry. I look like a hot mess right now, but that's okay. I've been running errands all day. But I really don't have that much jewelry, so I'm not even gonna be able to fill up this whole thing. I just wanted something that I could grow into over time. And my papa made me a jewelry box that's super cute, but I keep that in my closet. So this one is just like a cute aesthetic one to leave out in my room for all my everyday pieces. And then I use the jewelry box my papa made me for all of my like sentimental pieces and stuff that I don't grab for every day, but I still want. My niece made me a bracelet before, so I'm gonna put that in there. And yeah, super cute, super stylish. It's a lot lighter than the makeup bag that I got. Online, they both looked like the same color. This one looked darker online and this one looked lighter online, but it's totally fine. The different shades are all super cute together still, so I love it. And I think it comes in black too, and this one comes in so many different colors. So I'll link all of it below in case you guys are interested. But yeah, super fun for this Wednesday. Good news, good news. I like that it clips too, so when I move, I can just literally put this in a box and all of my jewelry will be contained in one spot and it won't like fall all over. I won't have to like tape anything down. So this is super contained. Love that. And then here's the dust bag that I can just set this in when I go to move. Oh my god, I made it to 1,000 subscribers! I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for following me. You guys are the best. I appreciate all of you, and thank you to Morgan for having everybody in her life follow me, because she is really the reason why I had 1,000. Oh my god, that was so sweet. All right, you guys, so I've been working in my room getting rid of all my makeup that I don't use. I have a lot of makeup from the past year from testing and stuff, and some of it worked out and some of it didn't. Some of it I used up, some of it has an expiration date. So I'm gonna show you everything I did. Here is my completed, sorry, I'm just trying to hide this because I can't wear a Band-Aid right now. Fun stuff. But here is my completed drawer. Here is the organized makeup drawer. There's face, some eyes and lips, some more face, some more lips, and then my palettes. This is just stuff that I don't grab on an everyday basis, but I still use and want. I realized that I don't like cream products, so here is everything I decluttered. These just expired because they're from a couple summers ago and they have sunscreen in them, so they didn't work out. I have some bronzers that just aren't my shade anymore. I love this brand, but this bronzer was just way too shimmery for me, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. This expired because it's a cream. This, I told you guys I tried and I just wasn't in love with. These expired, but I use them a ton. These expired, but use those a ton. Anything cream or something that's too orange for me, I just got rid of. So some lip products no longer work. These concealers were really hard, so I wouldn't recommend them. Honestly, the Honest Beauty stuff, I'm realizing kind of disappoints me. This is a cream blush. It was really pretty. So this was actually a good product. Here it is. This was a good one. It's just I don't reach for creams. That's why I'm getting rid of the Ilia palette. Like, I tried to use them, I just don't use them up fast enough. So this is everything I'm getting rid of. This was super powdery on me. And here's my drawer I haven't organized yet. But this is stuff I like reach for all the time. And I do love, I don't know where it is. I think it's actually my makeup bag because I'm making my everyday makeup bag. And then this will be my drawer. And then that over there is right next to my desk. So I reach for that stuff sometimes. But yeah, I need to go through and organize this. Everything in here I use all the time. And I love this powder is really good and it's affordable. Here's my daily SPF. So yeah, this needs to get organized. But that is everything I'm getting rid of, and I no longer need these dividers because I'm getting rid of all that. All right, you guys, this is an angle you probably haven't seen me in before. I'm getting ready to film a get ready with me. So I need to do that now. I'm feeling a little spicy this morning. I'm feeling a little bit, you know, I need more coffee. That's what's happening. Also, I finally got my correct shade of the It Cosmetics CC cream. Look at that. This was the old one that was too dark for me that I just literally didn't know. And we're gonna try this one or mix them. But I'm gonna film this and then I need to pick an outfit, and I'm having the hardest time because the dress and the shirt that I bought as options, I bought those before I got biopsied. So now they show the biopsy and I can't wear a Band-Aid because I'm having reactions to Band-Aid. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm really stressed about it. But all right guys, let me film a little bit and get ready. And I have some friends visiting us on my face. Okay, let me go. You making moves while you making eggs?
Yep.
Chef Nick?
In the house.
Tell me your process.
It's patented.
It's patented?
What I can tell you is you crack some eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Put some of that special sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's all on the wrist.
Beautiful. If anybody's wondering why we only have one, whatever this is called, burner that has foil on it, it's because I did one and I gave up. It's just a sign of my failure. Delish! The seasoning salt. Mm-hmm. Well, that was a lot of eggs.
Counter it with some pepper.
Counter it with the pep.
That's a lot of pepper.
It's okay, a lot of eggs.
Just kidding, it's all measured, folks.
Beautiful.
These eggs are not hard in the slightest. This is the fluffiest egg you'll ever have in your life.
Good, that's what we want. That's what the people deserve.
Notice I'm not stirring it, I'm just kind of moving it around.
Yep.
You don't want to beat the egg.
Nope.
Only beat it before you pour it. And when you pour it, you should be pouring it into at least a quarter cup of butter.
Quarter cup of butter.
Deep fried butter, y'all.
You're silly. All right guys, we are now back home. Gotta cover that up, but I just wanted to end the vlog here and tell you guys thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and we hit 1,000 subscribers. Can you believe that? It's literally insane. So yeah, I will have my next video out on Thursday, and I hope to see you guys then. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.